Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shashini YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share my link to your all friends, and please like my channel. Okay friends, now we see 0708-2021. First we see the SGP predictions. Okay friends, now we see the diamond chart first for SGP predictions. The diamond chart number is 8, 5, 9, 4 and 6, 7 and 0, 1 again 0 and 3. The last row is again 8 and 9. This is my diamond chart for SGP predictions. This also the 8 double times come out and 0 double times come out, and the 9 also double times come out. The 8 come out the T-shape area and the square shape area. The 8 come out in this T-shape area and the square shape area also, and the 9 come out the square shape area, and the 0 come out in this L-shape area. Okay friends, now we see the power chart. 0, 9, 8 and 6, 5 again 9 again 0 and 7, 6, 4 again 6 and 1, 8 again 7 and 3 and 2. This is my power chart. Okay friends, now first we see the log numbers. The power chart log number is 9 and 6. I given always 2 log numbers only, 9 and 6, 2 log numbers only I given, and the diamond chart log number is 0 and 9. Zero and 9. This is also 2 log numbers. Okay friends, the log numbers also come out the L-shape area, and again another one log numbers also come out the square shape area. The diamond chart very important shape, square and Y shape, very important one. See the Y shape also, the mostly 3 log numbers touched already. 0 and 9 both log numbers touched already in this Y shape area. Mostly you see the Y shape come out in these positions. It's all example only. I show you the example only for Y shape. and see 1 2, this one also, this Y shape come out 2 luck numbers touching ready. So maybe the Y shape mostly come out, more chances have. You predict well, you got top. The SGP predictions, mostly my diamond chart mostly come out first and second and third only the diamond chart. And the T-shape area also 2 luck numbers touched ready. The T-shape area, this T-shape area, the 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, this one also 1 and 2, the 2 luck numbers touched ready. The T-shape area 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So 2 luck numbers touched ready, and this one also 2 luck numbers touched ready. The T-shape area 1 2 3. So you predict well, you got top also. And we see the power chart also. Power chart mostly come out Z shape. Z shape very important one in this power chart. See the Z shape area, this Z shape area also 3 luck numbers touch ready. 3 luck numbers touch ready. So maybe 3D maximum 80 or 90% the 3D come out in this Z shape area. Maximum 80% coverage, the 3D coverage in this Z shape area, because 3 luck numbers touched ready in this Z shape area. So 3D maximum coverage in this Z shape area, because 3 luck numbers touched ready. See this also 1 2 3 and 4, or 1 2 3 or 4, or 1 2 3 or 4. This is all example for you, because the luck number touched the Z shape area, 2 luck numbers touched ready. So you concentrate the Z shape area maximum 80% 3D coverage. And the T-shape area also, this one 2 luck numbers touched ready in this T-shape area, maybe more chances have. And the L-shape area also only 1 luck number touched ready. This L-shape area also the only 1 luck number touched ready. Okay friends, thank you very much. This is my predictions for 07/08/2021 for SGP predictions. This is for SGP prediksi hari ini. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. Best of luck.